Hello everyone, my name is Erin Pitkin and I am here at Mass Audubon Drumlin Farm Wildlife Sanctuary to talk to you all about compost creatures. Compost creatures, you ask? What are those? That's just another way to have fun with your food while doing some pretty good things for the environment. So let me show you what it's all about. Right in front of us, we have everything we need to make our compost creatures. We have some carrot tops, some turnips, some apples, some green tomatoes, a peach, and some green beans. Also, a couple of gourds and pumpkins if we decide we want to use them. Now, some of these things could have come from, I don't know, something your family was making, like a salad or a stew, and it was just leftover. And normally you would just throw it in the compost. But that's not as much fun as playing with your food. So, let's see what we can create as a compost creature. First, I'm going to take this gourd here, right in front of you, and I am going to add some of these carrot tops as arms. One arm in, two arms. Let's see if we can get it through. There we go. And if you need help from a grown-up, please feel free to ask. So now we have a gourd with two arms. I'm thinking maybe we should add some eyes. Thinking turnips might be fun for eyes. Turnip eye, one eye, two eye. But who says that it only has to have two eyes? We could make it have three. This is all about using your imagination. Three eyes. Now, I do think that this gourd should have a mouth. I'm thinking that nice red apple would be a great mouth for our compost creation. There we go. What are we missing? Three eyes, a mouth, two arms. I don't know. What do you think? Maybe some hair. Oh, we're getting hair. I say this is quite the creation today. I can only imagine what you would dream up. Now this is a pretty big compost creation. Let's see if we can make a smaller one. So I'm going to set this compost creation right over to the side. Now, for a smaller one, let's see if we could use turnips as our feet. Two little feet. Then we could add, ooh, I know, a peach. Look at that! That's a peach body! We could throw some green beans as arms. What should we make the head? Let's put on a cherry tomato. So now we have our peach, turnip, green bean, and cherry tomato compost creation. Right behind us is where I've placed our largest compost creation today. And this compost creation is in one of our largest compost piles that we have on this farm. Behind you, you will see all the fields where we use this compost to help grow our nutritious food and vegetables. I hope you enjoyed playing with your food today, and I hope that you have more questions about composting and how you can do it at home. Please visit our website. We have many fun activities and lots of information about composting. And remember, always play with your food.